Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with 2A Direct. Today I have the RMU2040 from Motorola. I've already taken all the components out of this box. We have the radio, which already has the antenna attached, the battery, the belt clip, the charger, and the power cord. So let's assemble this all together. As I mentioned, the radio already has the antenna attached. The battery, you start off on the bottom and you'll hear a click at the top. To add the belt clip, put the radio in at an angle and then it clicks on the top. This charger has the port for the power cord in the back. And what's really great about it is you can keep your belt clip on your radio and it'll still charge the radio. To check out this radio and more, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.